Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have a 2016 it's a Dodge Durango. We're going to be changing the cabin filter, and we're going to replace that with a new one. Just because it's basic maintenance on this vehicle and needs to be done. So what we're going to need is obviously a new cabin filter. We're going to need a scribe or a hook, something with a hook on the end of it like this. And we're going to need a pair of pliers like this in order to pull the cable out of the side of it, so we can pull the glove box down and take the retractor off. We're also going to need a light such as this. This one is actually made by OTC. It's called OTC Spectrum light. They work really well, so we're going to use this also so we can see what we're doing. And that's it. So, all right, let's get in there. I'll show you where it's located and how to get it done. It should take all of about 20 minutes. So, come on, let's get inside and we'll continue. Okay, I don't know how much you're going to be able to see of this because, as you can tell, it's in a real dark area. But basically what we do is we take the glove compartment, open it up, and then on the sides, right over in here, in there, and also over here, that little tab right there. We're going to need to come on the side of the box here, pull this box in so we can take that tab out, and then we're going to do the exact same thing on that tab down in there so we can get that out. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to unhook that cable right there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, that stays pretty well. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to take this cable here, we're going to unhook it off of here like this, and we just let that go up inside there. That's why we have these, to get it back out. All right, now we're going to push this side of the box in and that side of the box in as well. Let's see if you can see what I'm doing here. Maybe you can. All right, we're going to push this in and pull it down, and in and pull it down, and then we're going to take this. It comes right off of these little hooks right here, and then up inside here is where your filter is located. So what we do now is just take this little tab here, pull it like this, pull it out, unhook the side right there, like that, and then we're going to take that little hook that we had, right, and this is what the hook is for, just so you can get in here like this, hook it, and just pull it out just a little bit like that, and then we'll pull it out. Be careful, there's probably going to be a lot of crap in it. Yeah, sure enough. This is probably the first time that this filter is being changed, so there's quite a bit of debris inside here. You can see how much stuff is inside there. Let's see. All right, now we're going to take our new filter and we'll put our new filter in. Now remember, this filter can only go in one way. If you look on the side of the filter, it'll give you the arrows of the direction of flow. See, those arrows are facing down? So we need to have this filter facing down like that. All right, so let's put the filter in. We're going to push it in. With two hands, it's a little easier. And we just push it in there like that. Push it all the way in, like that. We take our hook, this end here, we hook it around where it previously came off of, push it, and it locks right in, just like that. All right, now we'll put our glove compartment back together. I hope you can see okay. It's a little crooked, I know, but all right, we're going to take our glove box and put it on like this. Make sure that these hooks are in. Make sure that these hooks here are in where they belong on there. Like that. Push it in, snaps in place, and the last thing we're going to do is we're going to come in over here. Remember I told you about these pliers? We're going to grab this, we're going to pull it back, and I'm going to need two hands to do this, so we'll put you down for a second. I'm going to take a tab like this, put it in here, Snap it in place like that. Close it up, and that's it. Now if you put it in and it doesn't line up correctly up here, and it doesn't open and close the way it's supposed to, then you know your tabs down on the bottom here are not in properly, and you'll need to pop that back out. All right? Okay, that's it. You're all set. As you can see, there is a lot of crap inside here. You can see all of this stuff that's inside there. So especially with the summer and the winter, when you get pollen and such as that, it actually clogs up that filter pretty well. So, all right, that's it. You're all done. Car's done, out the door. Now, you might notice you may get a little bit of like a noise inside the fan, the blower motor, which is normal because when you take this out, sometimes these little particles of leaves and such may fall down inside there and give you a little bit of noise. No big deal. It'll go away inside of a couple of seconds. As always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.